imagine. I'm still staying in my father's house with nature and many flowers. I received this one box this morning. Would you like to see what's inside? Follow me. Let's open the box. Oh, I speak here. Oh, I ordered back ribs, pork back ribs. Look at the color. It looks good quality of meat. I'm going to make braised back ribs, 등갈비찜. Shall we begin? Go go! I ordered samgyeopsal last time, then the quality was very good. The meat was tender and didn't have fat much in it. I upload video of samgyeopsal party at home here. First step, cut it the ribs one by one. Cut it middle of bones and cut it ribs close to the bones. If you do it this way, we'll have a handle when you eat. Soak it in water and remove the meat's blood for 1 hour. I have a spices that preboil of the pork. 3 tablespoons of doenjang, this is the garlic that I got from my father's farm, fresh garlic tips. I'll just put it. I'm going to put 3 garlic with root together. This root will act as an accelerator to remove the smell. I'm going to add some soju. Put ribs. When it starts to boil, then boil for another 5 minutes more. When boiling, open the lid and let the smell fly out. It has been 5 minutes. Get meat and wash it. After finish the second step, wash the meat. It's a third step. I'm going to boil the ribs. 1.5 liter of water. 240 ml of dark soy sauce, 진간장. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of coffee. 150 ml of rice syrup. Radish. 5 pieces dry red chili, half onion, half apple, 1 handful of garlic, and wash the ribs. And boil for 20 minutes with medium over high heat. The ribs are cooked and I have a delicious broth. I'm going to use this broth for the last stage. This is fourth step. I'm going to coat the ribs with starch. Put some starch. I do it this way when I put starch in the meat. Put it in a plastic bag and shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Very easy. And take out the ribs in the new starch dress. The ribs has a new dress. Pour enough cooking oil on the pan. Add ribs without heating the pan. Now I'm going to turn it on. It takes around 5 minutes to grill. It's the last step. I put 500 ml of broth and 100 ml of plum extract. I'm going to put ribs. Put the ribs in the broth and boil it down until the broth is gone. And now I'm going to put fresh shiitake mushroom. One handful of garlic. 짜잔! Delicious braised back ribs are ready. Let's eat. Wow. Speechless. I can't say anything. I used 1.5 kilo of back ribs. I made braised back ribs over several stages. And it's a lot. You can serve having big party or something very special dining with your loved ones. Enjoy your meal. 감사합니다.